If you follow a simple and healthy lifestyle, this is the place for you. All of our recipes are made with natural ingredients. Please subscribe to our channel and share it with your loved ones. Enjoy this video. Welcome to Simple and Healthy. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato and broccoli hash. For this, you need half a cup of olive oil, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 2 cups of bell peppers finely chopped, different colors. I have green, orange, yellow, and red. 1 cup of broccoli finely chopped. You need about 4 medium sweet potatoes cut into bite-sized pieces. You also need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and half a teaspoon of chipotle powder. You also need 8 eggs. A pan, I added half a cup of olive oil, and to that I'm going to add in the onions and all of the different color peppers. After 5 minutes of sauteing the onions and peppers, I'm going to add in the sweet potatoes. Make sure to mix the sweet potatoes well. Add half a cup of water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to add in the broccoli. Add the broccoli. The spices. Once you add in the spices, mix well. I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes. So now after 5 minutes, I'm just going to poke in little holes, make holes, and add in the eggs. Then cover for 5 minutes. Here we go, our beautiful sweet potato and broccoli hash is ready. I'm going to take this out and show you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for healthy recipes. Click the icon below to make sure you don't miss any videos. Thank you.